here we have 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4. We get 1. So if you look with this, our total is 2.22 ohms. So here, since we have the R total, now we haven't calculated the R1. So here R1 is equal to R1 plus RT. So since our R1 is 2, so 2 plus 2.22. So now our RIT is 1 RT is 4.22 ohms. So next, our voltage total. So VT is equal to I1 times RT. So we have here, since our I1 is 1. So 1 times 2.22 is simply voltage total of 2.22. So here then, I2 is equal to voltage total over R2. So 2.22 over 5. So we have now the I2 is equal to 0.444A. So next, our I3. To get the I3, we need to use this formula, voltage total over R3. So 2.22 over 10, so we can get now the 0.222 or 0.2 repeated. IL is equal to VT over RL. So our RL is 4. So 2.22 over 4 is now simply calculated. IL is equal to 0.5 repeated ampere. So next, let's proceed to case 2. So since our case 2 here, the solution is R3L is equal to 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL is 1. So it's equal to simply 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 220 over 7 or 2.86. So now our R total is 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3L. So 1 over 5, so R2 is 5, and then our R3L is 2.86, which is number 1. So R 1 over 2.86. So R total is equal to 20 over 11 or 1.82 ohms. So our IV1 is equal to, so we have to use this formula, V1 over RT. So since our V1 is 20 or 12 volts, so 12 over 1.82 RT. So IV1 now is equal to 60 over 20 or 3.3 ampere. And next, our I2 is equal to this formula. So we'll be using this formula. IV1 times R3L over R2 plus R3L. So since our IV1 is we already computed it and it's 3.3. So we will calculate the 3.3 times 2.86 over 5 plus 2.86. So we have now the I2 is equal to 1.98 ampere. So next is our IPL. So we'll be using this formula, IP1 minus I2. So since our IP1 again is 3.3 and our I2 is here 1.98. So 3.3 minus 1.98. So our IPL now is 1.32 ampere. So next is our I3. I3 is equal to I3L RL times RL over R3 plus RL. So if we calculate this, or plug in it, 1.32 times 4 over 10 plus 4. So our I3 now is 0.38 ampere. And now last, our IL. So to solve the IL, we need to use this formula. So I3L times R3 over R3 plus RL. So let's plug in it. So we have 1.32 times 10 over 10 plus 4. So our IL now is 0.948. So this is how to calculate this problem for today. So next is we're gonna calculate the case 3. So if we redraw it, so as you can see, we have already now plus 1 over RL. So N1 is equal to 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4. So if you compute this, we can count to 2.86 ohms. And now, our RT is equal to R2 plus R3L. So since our R3L is 2.86, so we can just add it to 5 plus 2.86. So we have RT is equal to 7.86 ohms. So last, our IV2. So our IV2 will be using this formula, V2 over RT. So since our V2 is 24, so here 24 over our RT is 7.56. So now our final